In front of me is Realme 10 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this Android. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in iOS Launcher. Following that, you need to get this app from this developer. Open it and choose while using and allow in all pop-ups. So while using the app, allow. When you're ready, swipe up from the bottom of your screen and click on Home button, then Access Settings. In them, scroll all the way down, click on Apps section, tap on Default Apps and Home app. Now to apply iOS Launcher, click on it and choose Got it. As you can see, after that, app layout was applied successfully on my Realme. If you want to, you can always switch between your layouts by going into the same settings and tapping on System or iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!